No, this is not really just a lemon, and there are a couple of great specific signs that you can tell the difference between this and a regular lemon. You know, a lot of these signs have come down through tradition from great, credible Torah authorities, father to son, to son, to son, to daughter, to daughter. And people understand that these are the real etrogim. These are the real citron fruits. A couple of the signs are, it's got to be nice and bumpy. It also has a kind of glistening glow to its skin, almost like matte. Also, where it was hanging from the tree, there's an indent. Okay, it goes in almost like a volcano. A regular lemon doesn't have that. Some have a pitum, a little kind of lollipop on top, and if that breaks off, it's not kosher. If it's scratched anywhere deep where you can smell it, that it would scab over, it's also not kosher. Also, the seeds inside, they grow upwards, whereas lemon grow inwards. Let's find out what's inside a $300 citron fruit. Yeah, 300. Look how clean and beautiful it is. Let me show you about this. This is going to be really exciting. Right here. I'm going to cut this open. Oh boy, in the name of social media and understanding the difference between a lemon and a citron fruit, we're going to be able to show you. Also, the white inside, like the meat, I think it's called the rind. The rind inside, the rind is very thick. Very, very thick. There you go. Look at that. Almost like lungs. Many of them grow upwards. Lemon, if we slice it down, like this is a nice lemon. Difference between the lemon and that. There you go. I'm sure you've all seen lemons. Well, this is a really good lemon. Nice, delicious lemon. Can't even see the seeds in this.